Hello, everyone. It's been a while, I know. I need to tell you something. So, my phone broke, and I had to get a new phone. And so, I may or may not have lost all of the footage that I filmed for the second episode of My Two Dads. Yeah. Don't worry though. I will get back the footage or make new footage, but due to not having the same system and not having the same phone, I had to re-download Toca, which means I had to re-download everything, which means I have lost my house. Therefore, I am going to make a speed build today, just for a little fill up, and then I'm going to do a miniature roleplay video with my two characters, Josh and Rexy right here. And then I will work on some shorts, probably, but in the middle of doing all of that, I will be building a house. It won't be the same house, I doubt. I'll probably make a different one. But I will be making a house for my series and trying to figure out what kind of design, what kind of themes, blah 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 blah. I kind of do want to use the Japanese house that I have. But today I am going to be decorating don't mind all the gifts. I am going to be decorating the midtown apartments, the second floor. So this will be Rexy's apartment, and then this will be Josh's apartment. Jesus, I couldn't think of his name. So enjoy the speed build. Okay, so the speed build is done, and I just wanted to show you guys like the little things that I've done that I personally did. I did a lot of stuff off camera, like before I even thought about doing the speed build. So I'll show you the apartments, but first I want to show you the other stuff that I've done. So like you can come in here, da 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 da, right. Like oh, you got all the mailboxes, perfect. Then you go over here, and you can open this. And I know that this is supposed to be just like the record store. It is still kind of a record store, but I've also made it kind of like a resident, like convenience store, plus like a little like convenience store for like residents and like stuff. That's also supposed to be playing. You guys can't hear it, but it's for me. And so yeah, that's that room. Now let's go to the basement. By the way, it's like 3 in the morning right now, like where I'm at, and like I have way too much energy right now, and I don't know how to feel. Anyways, like you can come in here. Then you've got like a little laundry room, like little restock on this stuff, laundry detergent, toilet cleaner if you need some. We got ironing boards. You got these thingies that you find at laundromats. I know that because I'm poor. What the hell? Girl, what in the telekinesis? Okay, anyways. Let's go to the second floor, which is the rooms that I renovated. I didn't do the third floor because I'm gonna do that off camera for my original series, My Two Dads. I'll make it as if they like moved or something. And then I have to find Riley and Coco. If y'all are true fans. I doubt I even have fans. I have literally 15 subscribers. But if y'all know Riley and Coco. I flushed Riley down the toilet by accident, and then my phone broke, and I got a new phone. And so I don't have Riley either, or any of my characters, so if some of them look different, I'm sorry. Anyways, Josh, where you at? Where you at, dude? Come here, Josh. So this is Rexy's boyfriend, this is Josh. Hey, Josh. Hey. Okay, anyways, so this is Josh's apartment. Or like dorm, or I don't know what I want to call this. His fridge is empty. Because he's broke. Anyways. He likes vibrant colors. It is very, very, very bright in here. And then this is what crap. Give me the option to make it night. Oh, my hand was blocking it. I'm an idiot. This is what it looks like at night. And this is what it looks like. Hold on, I have to go into Rexy's apartment and turn off all his lights as well. Don't look at his apartment! This is what it looks like at night. When none of his lights are on, including his Christmas tree. Turn that shit off. Yeah. Yummy. I keep forgetting that my hand is covering where it's supposed to be. And then now we're going into Rexy's apartment. We got Rexy's bathroom. His living room is different because I couldn't fit a couch in here. Well, I could. I just didn't really feel like it. He's got a bathtub. He's got like this very futuristic bidet looking toilet. I don't know what the hell that is, but it's something. Yeah, and then he's got his kitchen table. He's got like a little toaster thingy, which I don't really know why he needs that, but he does. He's got like a little rice cooker. He's got a cookbook. Period. God. Anyways, and then he's got all his stuff. He's got his gaming setup. And he's got his bed. Got more outfits in here, but he don't put them on because those are gay. I'm gay. What? Then we got that outfit. We got his main outfit. And yeah, I have no clue what this is. I feel like I just poisoned him. And we have a purple beard. And we got his diary, or his spell book even. I don't freaking know. What's that? If you want one of these books, too bad, because you can't just grab it. A chopping board. Yeah, anyways. Let's get a deep dive of your house. Yeah, you got your bathroom, very girly, very tomboy. Love you some BTS and Cat's Eye. I know I probably don't say their name correctly, but I'm not here to say their name correctly. I'm here to make Toca perfect. Bed, unmade, overmade, I don't know. Something. We got Konomi, stuff like that. I got a little box plushie, period. Anyways. Why are you moving so slow? Now we go to the 4th floor. I just burped, but it didn't come out correctly, and it hurt. This is the upstairs area. Oh, that's true. Chill up here. I want to listen to all of these. I know y'all aren't gonna be able to hear it, but that's not my problem. Actually, I'll do this later. Anyways, I'll conclude the little video up here. Goodbye, everyone. Hope you enjoyed. I'm very hyper right now, and I need to go to bed. So, good night.